Okay, so now we have our toolpath all sorted. We've simulated it. We've double checked that it's cutting multiple layers. We've kept our speed and feed at default. And what we need to do is we need to post-process or export what we've done here in order for the to create a file for it to be taken to the machine. So the way that we do that is we come and click on that little button there, like so. Now at the top here, this is the machine that we're going to be posting it to. So in order to do that, what we need to do is we click on the little folder there, and we want to click on this little button here. So we're looking for Onefinity Masso, and then we go select, and if we have multiple files, we go up on 1001, 1002, 1003, but our file names need to be adjusted to make sure that we can differentiate them between everybody else's files. So I'm going to put this as Mike Letter. Make sure that we have no spaces in our file names, because that can cause issues as well. And then what we're going to be doing is select our output folder, and we're going to choose downloads or documents, something that is safe and that you're going to know where to access it. So we go open. Everything else can be pretty much standard. These are just different settings that we keep as standard, and then what we do is we click on this button called Post. You should get something that pops up like so, and then if you go to the location of where you have selected, there should be a file there, and you just need to transfer that to your USB.